4 teams, 3 games, 2 spots, 1 inaugural championship up for grabs. That is what we are in store for the final 2 game days of your Sinag Liga Asia Calibre 45 as we are live inside the SM Events Hall here in SM South Mall in Las Piñas City as we have 2 teams going up against MC Sports Management here in Day 3 of your Sinag Liga Asia Calibre 45 semi-final round. Sa inyong lahat, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Tañada, at kasama po natin ngayon muli our resident analyst, His Royal Airness himself, Coach Ernest Alo. Coach, Day 3 of the semifinals, and dito magkakaalaman na kung sino ang papasok sa finals.
Good afternoon, Coach Alvin. Very excited ako. Bakit? For the side of Tito Rex, with Eugene Tan leading the way, yung all-around game ni Sherwin Silva, tsaka yung collective effort ng mga players, you might hope na makuha yung panalo for today's game by a huge margin, Coach Alvin, ha?
Yes.
For the hopes of getting into the finals.
At mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan. Pero
Nikan nilang mga tahanan. Pero alam nyo ba na may kinakatakutan pa rin naman daw ang Tito Rex's Firewire. Even they are in the number 1 seed and even they have the best defenders. At para naman sa panig ng Jetour Exile, must win, go big, or go home talaga dahil ang kapalaran na ay
perfect testament for them as we take a look at our team standings para nga makita natin nasaan ba 3-0 or their team standings. Now,
6.
yes, tingnan nyo po ang ating screen ngayon. If Exile wins by 6 or more points, then yan po, sila po ang papasok sa finals at makakatapat pa nila possibly if MC Sports wins later on. Kaya nga po, enter the finals and that is our game story for today. Want to be an exciting one for these 2 teams kasi the last time these 2 teams met, it's
Production. We got a doubleheader games for the Day 3 of the semi-final round. Featuring up first match, the protagonist. First for your Exile.
we would like. Siyempre, hindi lang si Penelope yung welcome back natin. Nagbabalik. If you are Coach Hubert de los Santos, and again, you do have that magic number of 6, yan ba yung over now to Penelope Wilhelmina with a report on both teams?
yes, gentlemen, balik tayo sa sinabi ko kaninang may kinakatakutan pa rin ang Tito Rex's Firewire. Even they are in the number 1 seed. Daw ang inabot ng huli nilang pagtatapat ngayon. Ngayon daw, kahit ilang overtime pa hanggat hindi nila naririnig ang final buzzer, ilalaban nila. That's all for now. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you. Ano naman sasabihin mo, lalo na kumbaga ikaw, ang para sa'yo, walang magic number sa'yo, manalo lang.
Oo, sinabi naman na ni Penelope sa
Lalo na kumbaga ikaw, ang para sa'yo, walang magic number sa'yo, manalo lang.
Oo, sinabi naman na ni Penelope sa report niya no na sabi nga ni Coach Erwin, until the end, pukpok lang sila ng pukpok, and that's the greatest mindset you can give sa mga players mo on this game.
Yes, yun nga eh. Kaya nga, again, let's take a look at this replay. Lakas grab of the quarter at the scene of Full Tech Innovative Advertising. And we're really talking about these. Bakit manalo naman si Exile? Hintay natin yung magiging resulta ng laro
ng
mamaya.
next game. Kaya
Hintay natin yung magiging resulta ng laro mamaya.
ng next game. Kaya madami naman talagang mas gaganahan sila. It goes both ways talaga. Depende lang. Oh man, unnecessary action coming from Reggie Dieces. Great acting.
Let's take a look at that replay muna. Ay, meron talaga. Meron.
Yes.
Meron yun. Pero syempre knowing Kuya Jerwin, hindi naman yun magre-react ng gano'n kung hindi talaga.
Yes.
Masakit. Hindi ko ni Reggie Nieses kay Jerwin. We better. Andro Reques. Del Rosario inside. No good. Gets the rebound. Second serving. Wala pa rin. Reggie Nieses. Third serving. May foul niya.
Yeah, that's great effort by the kung hindi man naging maganda yung pinakita ng first group.
Makuha niya ulit yung rhythm niya. That's his first 2 points here in this ball game. Agaraw. Exile on top by, or rather, Tito Rex on top by 8. Del Rosario.
Great move.
Foul on, or rather, Tito Rex on top by 8. Del Rosario.
Great move.
Foul on Coach Mike Jimenez.
Yeah, that's a great.
Foul on Coach Mike Jimenez.
Yeah, that's a great move coming from Del Rosario. After that pass, reverse pivot going to the left. Kinat ni Coach Mike. Easy spin. Sayang, na-foul lang.
18-8 na pala ang ating score, so 10-point lead here. First free throw is good as syempre before we at least proceed pa dito, syempre gusto nating i-congratulate as we take a look at the sports management looking forward for their game later on. Pero syempre gusto nating i-congratulate our friends over in Pampanga, Governor Dennis.
Niti na nabibigay sa kanya ng mga teammates niya.
Here is Del Rosario at the high post. Del Rosario. Balmonte, binigay kay Mares. Mar. Oh, that's a good three-pointer. So that is too strong, and that is how you end the first at the end of quarter number 1. Let's take a look at opening quarter of play as they are still down here against Tito Rex Inspired JRP to 13. Tito Rex on top. Oklahoma City with Oklahoma, no, Hartenstein, no, Chet Holmgren. Ang nagsentro na sa kanila si Alex Caruso.
Oo.
Diba? So it's a pass. What to Romeo Fulientes, spot up tray, no good.
Yeah,
Rebound, picked up.
That's great defense coming from netong Romeo Filiente.
Del Rosario wanting to find a teammate, finds one.
There's no spacing. Buti na lang.
Reggie Lieses, the tiptoe kind of jumper is good. Cuts down the lead to 15.
Yeah, good job on Del Rosario there. Not being selfish. Letting Lieses get the ball kahit walang spacing doon. Good shot.
Chua,
Finish.
34-17. 17 ang kalamangan.
Good switch.
They go to Del Rosario, the drive inside and the score.
Yeah, yun lang. Hindi ready.
17 ang kalamangan.
Good switch.
They go to Del Rosario, the drive inside and the score.
Yeah, yun lang. Hindi ready si Giluwalhati dun sa silbiglaan ni Del Rosario. And great recognition din by this big man na nakita niya mas maliit sa akin yung bantay ko, automatic seal ka sa akin.
Phil Walhati to Jepoy Kiambao.
Good pa.
Okay, let's take a look at this.
Ganda,
Great play
talino.
inside. Nice move by Del Rosario and gets 2 points to go there. As we are back here inside the SM Events Hall for first quarter, but second basket there. But for Exile, it was Del Rosario getting those 2 points from inside. And idagdag mo pa, for Exile, it was Del Rosario getting those 2 points from inside. And idagdag mo pa yung contribution niya sa depensa, 39-27. Each for Mateo and Del Rosario, JP Season with 2, while for Tito Rex's Power JRP Builders, 11.7 points para game. And right, syempre, nung last November 7, nagkaroon na nga po ng team. Isaac, our League Commissioner Rodney Santos was there. And syempre, nandun din si Mr. Ray Alaw. And syempre, Mr. Rocky Chan also there. So our 4 bosses are there too. Syempre, to oversee that. Syempre, Mr. Rocky Chan also there. So our 4 bosses are there too. Syempre, to oversee that meeting.
Yes, pero great start for Exile. Again, Del Rosario with these intangibles and making sure to finish that play.
So it's 39-29, and if you are Coach Hubert, again, it's a 12-point lead now cut down to 10.
Oh.
Again, it's a 12-point lead now cut down to 10.
Try to find a way lang, Coach, to get the ball sa mga kailangan umiscore. Yan, like Semilia, good shot. Like what I was saying, magtrabaho itong Semilia. Art Olivero set things up for them.
Itong fast break na to, last drive of the quarter at the converge, doble na, dinoble pa. And earlier during the halftime break, sabi nga niya, usually pang first stop lang ako eh. Di ba? First stop lang ako may-score, pero ngayon nakascore siya dito on that fast break, pero he missed that free throw, but looking for a possible teammate, Tengmo Perada. Sila yung papasok eh sa finals if they win by 6 points. But right now, it's dead here in Calibre 45. They straight victory. Ngayon, 12 sunod na panalo na para sa Tito Rex's Firewire as they take home the victory 84-71. But again, for Exile, they still have a chance for a possible finals basing on
Natin yung pagiging prepared nila, yung pagiging condition ng mga players, coaching staff doing the right thing dun sa mga pinapasok nilang 5, kaya nag-workout para sa kanila simula until the finish.
And right now, we are just waiting for our Sinag players of the game. But again,